There's a nice feature on Ableton Live that you probably know, or probably not, which is work on the transient. And it's here. You pick this one on the in this menu here, and you're just going to carry down and close the loop a little bit. It just works a little bit like a gate. If you allow me, I'll just do the same trick. See, you get rid of all the cue of single element that you call the hi-hats and stuff, and it sounds a little bit more clean. This is full, and you can use this also in the arrangement part. So you could definitely start in the beginning with the loop like this, and then opening up later. So this is a good trick, because that means that you don't have to add a lot of loops, but just use this one, and then there's definitely going to be the same loop, same movement, same groove. In the beginning is a little bit more cut down, more gated, more closed, and then it opens up.